Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix silent night electric blanket not working, step by step troubleshooting and reset guide. Fix 1 is check the power connection. Unplug the electric blanket from the wall outlet, then make sure the power cord is firmly connected to the blanket and the controller. Plug the blanket directly into a working wall outlet. Avoid using extension cord or power strip during testing. Second one is let an overheated blanket cool down. Turn the blanket off, then unplug it from the outlet. Leave it unplugged for 30 to 60 minutes. Plug it back in and test it again. Third one is reset the electric blanket. Turn the controller off, then unplug the blanket from the wall outlet. Disconnect the controller from the blanket if it is removable. Then wait for about 5 minutes. Reconnect the controller securely, then plug the blanket back into the outlet. Turn it on and test the heat. Fourth one is check for internal damage. Feel the blanket for damage or unusually stiff areas. Check for burns marks or exposed wiring. Do not attempt to repair the internal heating wire. Replace the blanket if damage is found. Thanks for watching.